Well, this is day 7. Um, Day 7 so far. It's been good. I still have the pain in my leg aches. Um, it's going to do that for a while more, but it did keep me up a little bit. I got 3.5, 4 hours sleep last night. I slept a little bit this morning. Um, so, that's good. The leg is sore. Still taking the painkillers. Um, I'm just moving forward, trying to, I don't know, I guess put the time in, put the days one after the other so that I can, get through this. So what else can you do? You do your exercises. You make sure that you follow the instructions. You do everything you need to do to facilitate the end result, which is you're recovering and you're back up on your feet, and you're not in the pain that you're in, or hopefully no pain at all. And that's where I'm planning on on going. So if I follow all of the instructions, then my recovery will be the best possible recovery it can be. The bruising on my leg is continuing and following the course of the healing process. I'll get a picture of that. So this is what the bruising on my leg looks like right now. It's a little discolored with red blotches down the whole leg, back, underneath. The other side, again, bruising down the leg. So, it's just it's going to take a while for that to clear up. Well, this is the end of the day 7. I went to my first physio today, and I was there for about an hour and a half. They looked at my leg, took all my information, and they did some work on it, but I'm not going to see them again until I get my staples out. So that'll be the week of the 15th. So I'll go to my second physio appointment then. And he, the gentleman that was doing the physio appointment, he said that the muscles in the top of my leg and the muscles in my calf are very tight and in contraction. And so what I've got to do is I've got to put heat on the calf and the thigh, and I got to put cold on the knee to keep the swelling down. So the calf is really tight, and that's causing some of the problems that I'm having, and how my leg's in pain from hip to toe. And I just have to put a lot of heat on it. So I've got some heat packs that I'm gonna use, and just put the heat on, and when I put the cold on, but do the heat a little more often, try and loosen up these muscle groups and free everything up. It's just painful the way that it has developed. and that's kind of why he couldn't even touch my calf. It was that painful. So he said that he'll see me on the week of the 15th, and by putting heat on that calf, he'll be able to manipulate it a little better and try and unclench the muscles and get everything sort of into the correct alignment. So that's what today was. I figured out how to get in a car when you're had a knee operation. You got to sit your butt down on the seat sideways. So you back yourself into the car, and then you swing your legs into the car, because there's just no other way to do it. I tried it. It didn't work the first time I tried to sit down in the car. The second time I went and I sat my butt down and rotated my butt in, and that was much easier to get into the seat. Anyway, so that's my day today. So now I'm doing heat and cold, and I'm just trying to do different things. So the knee has got to contract, and the blood's got to come into the thigh and the calf to try and help this situation that I'm in. I guess one's fighting against the other. It's part of the healing process, but it is it's just a pain in my leg. What can I say? It's just like crap. Anyway, so it's all good. It's another day in the healing process. The end of day 7. Day 8 is tomorrow. I'm just it's just looking to keep going, one foot in front of the other, one step in front of the other, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's just the way it goes. Anyway, have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Good night.